So you guys ready? It's not a sad song. It's actually a love song. Isn't that ironic for me? Ha. Just kidding. Well, the song is entitled Never Have a Rainy Day. So, optimistic. Alright, let me know what you think. Sometimes I think I am going crazy. My mind just seems to disobey me. But when I look at you, it seems so clear. Why is it that you're so damn perfect? I'm just another guy that just ain't worth it. But when I'm with you, I have no fear. And when you're gone, I feel so miserable. But when our lips meet, I feel so invincible. And I swear when you smile, the sun begins to shine. The storm clouds roll away, the snow clouds multiply. And all I need to do is kiss you every day. I'll hold you in my arms. We never have a rainy day. Is it such a shame that I can't see you? And if it were up to me, I'd never leave you. And I'm so sorry, it's not my choice. Can't wait just to hold you in my arms. I'll lay right by your side, keep you safe from harm. I'll listen till you breathe. You listen to my voice. And when you're gone, I feel so miserable. But when our lips meet, I feel so invincible. Clouds roll away, storm melts by the pound. And all I need to do is kiss you every day, hold you in my arms, and never have a rainy day. And when we start to kiss, my heart sings. I try not to burst with joy from all the love you bring. And all I need to do is kiss you every day. I'll hold you in my arms. We never have a rainy day. Never have a rainy day. Have a rainy day. See, told you.